Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to make a private story on Snapchat. For seeing this, open up your Snapchat app, tap on the chat icon at the bottom, tap on your Bitmoji icon at the top left corner, then go down to my story. You can see my stories here. Tap on new story, tap on new private story, and then you choose who you want to share the story with, and then you tap on create story. Give it a name, tap on save. It's as simple as that. Then you can now add to your story by picking from your memories or from the camera roll. And then that's it. Then you tap on the name you chose and it has been added.